I had to turn it up a little bit cause they start hate. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me why you wait. The Real Breezee TV on, it's that type of day.
What's up, guys? So today we are going to be making some patches, a couple different size patches. I will be using cutaway stabilizer and some fabric some polyester fabric that I got from Michael's. So I'm going to go ahead and cut. I really would like to use two different kinds of two pieces of stabilizer, just because I would like for it to be, you know, like not stiff, but go for the yellow one. And how I made the patch, if you guys want to see a video of me making the design for the patch, I can do that. But all I really did was like an applique kind of situation. So let's just get over to the embroidery machine. Okay, let me find my design here. Okay, let me go ahead and, while it loads a little bit, that there. Okay, so I am learning my embroidery machine as well as the actual digitizing software. So the way I did it like an applique. I don't know if that's actually how you do it, but but it works for me, so that's how I did it. Thread together. Okay, I'm gonna cut this little piece. Let's go. Okay, now that's done, and that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna do a couple more patches, and then we'll be back to cut. Well, we'll be back after I cut them all out, and so I can show you guys what they look like. I'm excited. So I cut as close as possible. Just make sure you don't cut the thread. So today we will be doing, let me just get my scarf out the way. Today we will be doing the other half to making embroidery patches. Today we are going to sublimate on them and see how they sublimate. We're going to use the patches that I made along with a patch that I got from Heat Transfer Warehouse, and just see how they both come out. If I did it good, if I did it right, or whatever, and see the difference. So, okay, guys. So we have the patches that I made, round 2.5 by 2, and octagon 3.5 by 3, and I believe it's a 2.5 by 2.5 from Heat Transfer Warehouse. So we're going to use this patch, and we're going to, and it has the sticky back and the paper for you to pull it off and then stick it onto your garment, your hat or whatever. But we're gonna leave it on right there, and we're gonna use my patch, and we're gonna use these two designs, Lionhearted. And I haven't given her a name yet. I'm thinking maybe I should get you guys to help me give her a name. Give her a name. I don't know. Okay, so I'm printing the designs over for these two. I made them bigger, so I made them a 3 by 3 size. But our little octagon here fits. So this is a patch that I made, which is a 3.5 by 3.5. And I'm gonna take some heat tape. Take some heat tape. And then wrap it around, tape it down. Make sure we are in there proportionately. We are in there proportionately. Okay, and then we're going to turn it over, which we have the sublimation paper facing up to the heat press, and we're going to press it. It's on, my heat press is on 390 degrees for 60 seconds. So let's press this bad boy and see how it goes. I mean, see how it comes out. Okay, let's see. So remember, this is a patch that I made, that I embroidered, and as you can see the picture, I don't know if you can see the picture, but if you can see the picture, then that means that, that means that it's sublimated. And can you see the picture back there? You can see the picture? So the image, that means that it's sublimated. Now my patch does not have that adhesive on the back yet. So right now all we have is our, ooh, it came out good. I have to, yeah, that came out really good. Look at that. You guys see it? Look at, nice. That came out awesome actually. Okay, 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 okay. Now our images have come out. Here's what we have. Let's see if they can fit. Perfect, perfect. Looks good. Looks good. Yeah, I'm gonna use this page again. I need to really mess with this printer's setting, because it's driving me crazy. Okay, heat tape. Or heat tape. Put that right there. Right there. And then where's the other patch? And we got this patch, and we're gonna put this here. Heat tape. Okay, so let's go. Turn it over. Sublimation paper touching the facing the heat press. And let's see what we can do. Make it a little tighter. Let's go. Hot, nice. Came out really good. Hot. And the paper is the paper that sticks on the back. Awesome. So I really gotta mess around with my settings, but this is what the patch looks like. This is the heat transfer warehouse patch. I really gotta mess around with my settings, but this is what it looks like. So on this patch, I feel like I could have used either a pillow or cut it circular enough for it to fit inside the sublimatable part of the patch. Then I want to have so many of the light marks. And this one looks good. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section about my little patches. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and be breezy.
Thank you. Thank you all for watching. I see you on the next one. I hope that you subscribe, hit the bell for the next one.